In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate Google Forms in just a few easy steps. If you've ever found yourself needing to duplicate a Google form, whether for editing or sharing, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and make sure this process is as smooth as possible for you. First things first, you'll need to head over to Google Drive. Open up your favorite web browser and navigate to the Google Drive homepage. Make sure you're logged into the right Google account where your form is located. Once you're in there, things should start looking more familiar if you've used Google Drive before. Now look toward the top left corner of your screen where you'll find an option that says Apps. This will give you access to all the different tools that Google has to offer, including Google Forms. Go ahead and click on Apps. This is your gateway to accessing different Google services, and for today's tutorial we're focusing on Google Forms. Once the Apps menu is open, you'll want to find and click on Forms. This will take you directly to the main page where all your forms are organized. If everything looks right, you should see a list of all your Google Forms. Now, this is where we move to the more specific part of the process. Scroll through your forms and select the one that you'd like to duplicate. Click on the desired form to open it. At this point, you should be looking at the form you want to copy. Now, move your attention to the upper right hand side of your screen where you'll find 3 vertical dots. This is often known as the More menu. Click on this to proceed. From the drop down menu, look for the option labelled Make a Copy and click on that. This will open a new dialog box, prompting you to name your duplicate form. It's a good idea to choose a name that makes it easy to identify, especially if you plan on having multiple versions. Don't worry if you can't think of the perfect name right now, you can always rename it later. Next, you'll be asked to select a folder where you'd like to save this new duplicate form. Choose an existing folder or create a new one if needed to keep everything organized. At this point, you'll also see an option to decide if you want to share the duplicate form with others. If collaboration is key for this project, go ahead and adjust the sharing settings accordingly. Finally, once you're happy with your settings, click Make a Copy. This will redirect you to a new tab where your duplicate Google form will open, ready for further customization or immediate use, and there you have it, the whole process from start to finish, creating a duplicate of your Google form in just a few minutes. I hope this tutorial made things easier for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more handy tips just like this. Thanks for watching, and happy